ME 8691 Computer Aided Design and Manufacturing. Unit 1 Introduction to CAD. In Introduction to CAD, the next topic is sequential and concurrent engineering. There are two type of engineering approaches are there. First one is sequential engineering and another one is concurrent engineering. The sequential engineering is also called as overall engineering. In the sequential engineering design that has been carried out for a sequential set of activities. The sequential engineering is the term used to describe the method of production in a linear format. The method of production in the sequential engineering is in the linear form. There are different steps to done one after another. In such approach, the life cycle of a product starts with the identification of the customer of a product, and these needs to be converted into product requirements which are passed to the design department. This sequential engineering is also called as overall approach or overall engineering. In this diagram, we can easily understand what is sequential engineering and what is concurrent engineering. The sequential engineering, there are separate teams for product concept and performance checking and design checking and manufacturing checking. There is a separate team. There is a separate team that will analyze the product. So customer is separate, marketing personnel is separate, design engineer is separate, and manufacturing engineer and production personnel. In this concurrent engineering, all that team members are combined and find the problem for a particular solution, find the solution for a particular problem. In sequential engineering, the information passes in the linear form. But in the concurrent engineering, there is a brainstorming session. Everyone can set their ideas and find the optimum solution. So that in a sequential design, it will take more time to finalize the idea. In concurrent design, we can easily find the solution for the particular problem. Next, in that next slide, SE means sequential engineering and CE means concurrent engineering. There are 4 stages are defined here. For planning it will take 3%. Sequential engineering. And then concurrent engineering, the planning process takes 33%, and the process design takes in sequential engineering 27% and concurrent engineering 22%. And design checking is 45% and manufacturing sector 15 and 8%. The sequential and concurrent engineering. Sequential engineering, the teams are in a separate form. Once the customer feedback will send to the marketing team. After that, the marketing person pass that information to the design team. After that, the checking of design, the manufacturing specs will inform to the production. This is a sequential approach or sequential engineering. In concurrent engineering, all the teams are together and to find the possible solution for the problem or the component. Okay. Next is comparison between sequential and concurrent engineering. Sequential engineering is a linear approach. The information passes in a linear form, but in concurrent engineering, that is a combined approach to find the solution for the problem. Next, sequential engineering. For a single task, various steps to be focused. For a single task, there are more steps to be focused. In concurrent engineering, various tasks are handled at the same time. That will save our time. In sequential engineering is a system by which a group within the organization, in this form, the group is mentioned in the team. design team, manufacturing team, like that. Concurrent engineering is a method by several groups within the organization. So, all the teams are together and to find the solution for the particular problem. Fourth point is product design process during which all the stages of manufacturing in serial. That is, the initial stage is feedback to the customer, and final is production. With the idea sending or feedback sending to the final product, the information is in a linear form. But in concurrent engineering, all the stages are operate at the same time. That will consume our time. Next, fifth point is both process and product design run in serial. That will take different place in the different time. So, same problem to be discussed repeatedly for a single team. Next, both product and process design run in parallel and take place in the same time. Both product design and process design that will parallel and takes place in a same time. This is in a different time. Both process and product design takes place in a different time. Product and process design will takes place in a same time. Next is decision making only by group of experts. Okay, decision making done by the group of experts in a particular team. In design team, the design head will finalize your design. In concurrent engineering, the decision making with the full team involvement. That is, if the design team approve the complicated design, that will not possible to easily manufacture. So that the manufacturing team head will tell that this is very complicated design, so we need to optimize the design for the design conversion into a manufacturing component, so that their ideas will communicate together and find the optimum solution for the particular problem. This is the comparison between the sequential and concurrent engineering. Thank you.